Oh my gosh, yes!
Octopus! Yes!
Stretching.
Oh yeah, it's like, whoa!
There we go.
Oh.
It's like a cat waking up.
That's a warty octopus, Granoledone varicose. They've got cartilaginous bumps all over the mantle and head and dorsal surface of the arms.
Just gonna go on a little Sunday stroll. It's so cool.
This was the same genus that...
Zombie sponge. That's a new one.
So it's actually quite interesting because it seems that a sponge colonized the internal part of a dead skeleton. Look at that.
How do you know that it's like a new sponge that's colonized an old sponge versus a dying sponge?
Because you can see that still has like the typical wall, as you can see there, and on the outside you see that it's a dead skeleton. So my guess is that this was another Euplectelli that was living there, and it died, it left the skeleton behind, and for some reason the larvae of this Euplectelli just found